1.5 million pesos!
Pinagyan!
Eto na. Good na ba? Mang Bisay, Mang Dory. Alright, the 21st street dance champion of Aliwan Fiesta Festival
Pinagyan!
of Champions is... Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Aliwan Fiesta, Aliwan Contingents. Thank you very much. Uuwi kayong punong-puno ng masayang kwento pag-uwi ng inyong probinsya.
At syempre, tawagin natin ang representative of Bingo Plus, Ms. Sophia Smith. Because Bingo Plus is also giving an additional 25,000 pesos.
Wow! Thank you, Bingo Plus!
Maraming Bingo Plus.
Hi, Miss Sophia. You're so beautiful.
Alright.
Uuwi kayo na taas noo kayong lahat. Proud that this is my story, this is my culture.
This is my heritage and this is my championship.
Yes.
Ang ating Aliwan Festival 2024 Grand Champion is contingent number.
Ano?
Eh!
Ang tatanggap ng 1.5 million pesos ay ang...
Contingent number.
Iloilo